What's up, everybody? Crazy Eights here, and we're doing the Millennium Falcon Fanhome build. We're on issue 57. So let's take a look at the articles, and then we'll get into the build. But first, down here, hard cell class transport is probably the vehicle that we're going to be looking at first. And I'm right. Let me bring it up. Zoom in a little better. Hard cell class transport. Hard cell class transport, technical specs. Techno Union is a manufacturer. Models of hard cell interstellar transport. Class transport, height 222 meters or 722 feet. 40 mglts, I don't know. Maximum speed 4,000 kilometers an hour, 2,485 miles per hour in atmosphere. Class 1 hyperdrive with Class 8 backup. Armament, two laser cannon batteries, 100 S of IG series battle droids. Hundreds of IG series battle droids. Hellfire droid tanks. 190 crew members. Could hold 1,017 passengers. Cargo capacity is 12,400 tons and 6 months of consumables. So you can live on this thing for 6 months. Okay. I think this was, what was this in the Clone Wars? Or Attack of the Clones? Yeah, it was. The Battle of Geonosis. So you got this weird looking dude. And here is the top parts of versatile vessel of the ships. Here he is from the cartoons. This article is the first battle of Geonosis. Weakness exposed. The fuel cells. Ah, yes, the good old fuel cells. Future legend. Oh, I like that. I love the artwork, the sketches. And now, firefighting. We got a picture of R2 putting out a fire in the Falcon. Shipboard safety systems, firefighting droids, astromech extinguishers. There's a firefighting droid. Very interesting. And what is this? Secrets of spaceflight. Oh, we got when the ship breaks apart and they're trying to water it down. Fire in space. What did I say? Behind the sign. No, is that science? Nope, behind the scenes. Alright, and then we get to the build. Here are the parts. And let's show off what we get in parts for 57. Let me see if I can open it without cutting it open. That way I don't damage the wires that are in here or circuit boards. Okay, so we got a few pieces. That's garbage. Got some wiring. And it looks like a switch. Yeah, it's a switch. Got a circuit board. And we got some some rubber housing. Now let's see what we got to do. All right, so this spot, where is it? I just had it right here, I think. Is where the circuit board is gonna go. So it looks like it goes like this, like this, and like that. So it's gonna fit right there. So I can bring this around closer to the camera so we can see it better. So that's where it's gonna sit. And it gets 4 self-tapping screws. So let me get those out and we'll put this in. I already put one in, so I'm gonna put these 4 screws in. I'm not gonna go too tight because I don't want to crack anything. Just enough. where it doesn't move or doesn't wiggle. Two more screws to put in. And one more. Okay, so that is in. All right, so this little piece, I'm gonna plug it in and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I put it in. All right, so this, I don't even know why this screw is in there. It doesn't even, this thing wraps around and hugs it. I don't know why there's a screw there, but it might be used for something else. It's a placeholder for right now. I don't know, but that's what I put in. The next step is putting in this wiring and screwing this down. So let me go and get some screws and do that just now. All right, so they're both loosely in. Now I'm just gonna tighten them up. I don't know if they're grass. I don't know if they're going in. No. Son of a. All right, let me put some pressure on it. Ow, crap. I gotta figure this part out. All right, so I attached this piece to here, and now we'll go on to the next step. It's one of these. So where is that plastic piece? This. Glue is gonna help this. This has to move up. This has to move freely. this one.